Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. We all know that Facebook is the biggest social network presently on the world. And these days videos are getting very popular on Facebook. So many of the creators these days wants to embed these videos onto their own website. So that's why I've created this tutorial in which I'll be teaching you how to embed Facebook videos onto your WordPress website. So the first thing you should do is to copy the URL of the video which you want to embed. Now once you do that, you have to go to Facebook Embedded Video Player website and scroll down to the embedded video player configuration section. Here we have to paste that URL of that video. So as you can see that video is here now. Click on get code and clicking on it, it will generate a pop-up with two codes. So the first part of the codes needs to go to the website's header section. The simple and easy way to do that is by installing a plugin. So let's first copy this code. And in my WordPress dashboard, I'll hover on to plugins and then I'll click on add new. Now in the search box, search for insert headers and footers plugin. It's a very popular plugin and recommended. And I'll install this plugin and I'll activate it. So once the plugin is installed, you can hover on to settings and then click on insert headers and footers. Now here you will see various boxes and we have to paste this code into the scripts in the header box. So paste the codes in the headers and click on save button. Now that's it, you have done the first part. Now for the second part, let's go to our post. You can create a new post or click on edit button for any of the existing posts where you want to add the video. Now what you have to do is, let's go to our video page and copy the second part of this code. Now back to our post screen in WordPress, click on the plus icon and search for HTML blocks. Now click on custom HTML block and then paste the code here in this HTML block. Now click on publish and then again click on publish. Now let's go to our website to see if it's actually working or not. So when I go to my website, you can see that the Facebook video is now embedded into my WordPress website. That's how easy it is to embed your Facebook video into your WordPress website. You just have to go to the custom tool whose link is being shared in the description as well. Then you just need to generate the codes, insert the first code into the header and the second code into the page where you want to embed it, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video.
I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your question. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.